Easily organize your conversations using saved filters in HelloSend. Click on the filter icon to open the filter panel. Filter by status to view open or closed conversations. Use read status to focus only on unread messages. Assign conversations to specific users. Filter by channel or team to stay organized across different workflows. You can also use flags to prioritize conversations using color labels and apply a date range to view interactions within a specific time period. Once your filters are set, simply click Apply to see the results instantly. You can also reset filters anytime to return to the default view. To save time in the future, click Save as View, give your filter a name, and choose whether it's visible your entire team or only to you. Once saved, your filter will be available in the conversations list, allowing you to quickly access, edit, or delete it whenever needed. With saved filters, managing conversations becomes faster, simpler, and more efficient. Thanks for using HelloSend.